Front-end web development is an essential part of building web applications, and in this video I'll guide you through what it is, how it works, and where to focus as a .NET developer, all in just 2 minutes. Front-end development is the part of web development that focuses on everything users see and interact with on a website. It includes displaying content, capturing user input, and communicating with the backend to update the page. When you type a URL like www.example.com, your browser requests the web page files from a server. The server sends back the necessary files and your browser assembles them to display the page. In simple terms, the server is a special computer where the web application is stored, and your browser brings it to your screen. To build the front end of a web app, you'll use 3 main technologies: HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. These form the core of front-end development, no matter what stack you use. For example, when you press a login button, HTML creates the form, CSS styles it, and JavaScript checks the input and sends the data to the server. For .NET developers, Blazor is a key front-end framework. It allows you to write front-end code using C# instead of JavaScript. Here's an example of a login form in Blazor. In Blazor, C# handles the logic behind user interactions. The HTML sets up the structure, and C# handles the form submission directly, without needing JavaScript. The front-end framework you use depends on your project or company. As a .NET developer, you may also work with JavaScript frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue instead of Blazor. This was front-end web development in just 2 minutes, and what you need to know as a .NET developer. If you want to know your next step in .NET development, I have a roadmap specifically for that, which you can get for free in the link below. I also have a crash course on front-end web development which should be on the screen right now, so click on it and I'll see you there.